Welcome to the Easy English Cast. Let's learn English together. Enjoy your podcast.
Hello again, everyone.
Hi, Andrew.
Welcome back to our podcast.
I'm happy to be here.
Great to hear, Ava. Welcome to day 2. Welcome to day 2 of our 30-day English challenge.
Day 2. Wow.
Yes, day 2. Today, we have a very useful topic.
Oh? What is it?
We'll learn about greetings. And also small talk.
Greetings and small talk?
Yes, it's how we start conversations.
Ah, I see.
It's important for everyday life.
So, like saying hello?
Exactly, and more. We'll learn many easy phrases.
Good.
We'll start with simple greetings.
Okay.
Then, we'll move to small talk. It's about talking about simple things.
Like the weather?
Sometimes, yes. We want you to feel confident when you meet new people.
That sounds good.
Let's begin with the first phrase.
Okay. What is it?
It's hello.
Hello.
Hello is very common.
Oh, I know this word.
Great. It's a simple greeting.
So, why is it important?
Greetings show politeness.
Politeness?
Yes. It's nice to say hello.
I see.
It starts a conversation.
Like, hello, how are you?
Exactly. That's a good start.
So, if I meet someone new,
You can say hello.
and then?
You can ask their name.
Oh, right.
It makes people feel welcome.
That's nice.
It's like opening a door.
A door to talking?
Yes. A friendly door.
So, hello is a friendly door.
You've got it.
What about hi?
Hi is similar to hello.
It's more informal?
Yes. Hi is a bit more casual.
Okay, hi.
Good. Now let's try hello. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Perfect. You can say hello to anyone. For example, hello, John.
Oh, I see. Hello.
Right. Now, let's talk about time of day.
Time of day?
Yes. We have good morning. Say that.
Good morning.
Very good. You say good morning in the morning. Like, good morning, friends.
Good morning. When does morning end?
Usually around noon, 12 o'clock. Then it's good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes. Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Great. You say good afternoon in the afternoon. For example, good afternoon, everyone.
Okay, good afternoon.
And then, when the sun goes down, it's good evening.
Good evening.
Exactly. Say good evening.
Good evening.
You use good evening at night. Like, good evening, Sarah.
So, morning, afternoon, evening.
That's it. Let's practice. I'll say a time. You say the greeting.
Okay, I'm ready.
It's 9 a.m.
Good morning.
It's 3 p.m.
Good afternoon.
It's 7 p.m.
Good evening.
Excellent, Ava. You've got them.
Thank you. This is fun.
You're welcome, Ava.
So, we learned hello and goodbye.
That's right.
What's next?
Well, we talked about basic greetings. Today, let's talk about how we say hello. There are different ways.
Different ways?
Yes. Some are formal, some are informal.
Formal and informal? What's that?
Good question. Formal means polite, a bit serious. You use it with people you don't know well. Or people who are older or in important jobs.
Oh, I see.
Informal is more relaxed, friendly. You use it with friends, family, or people your age.
Like when I talk to my friends.
Exactly. So, a formal greeting is good morning.
Good morning.
We use that in the morning, of course. It's polite.
And informal?
Informal is hi or hey.
Hi. Hey.
See, much more casual. So, you say good morning, sir, to your boss. But you say hey, Sarah, to your friend.
Right. Formal for work, informal for friends.
You've got it. So, Ava, we know how to say hello.
Yes. Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Great. And you know formal and informal.
Right. Good morning, sir. Hi, John.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about something else useful.
What is it, Andrew?
It's called small talk.
Small talk? What's that?
It's short, friendly chat.
Like talking about the weather?
Yes, that's a perfect example.
Oh, I see.
It's for when you meet someone briefly.
And you don't know them well?
Or maybe you do, but you just want to be nice.
So it's not a big, serious talk.
No, not at all. It's light.
Why is it useful, though?
It helps you connect with people.
Connect?
Yeah, it makes things more friendly.
I understand.
It's like building a little bridge.
A bridge. I like that.
So a common small talk phrase is, how are you doing?
How are you doing?
And you can answer, I'm doing well, thanks.
I'm doing well, thanks.
See, simple and friendly.
It is.
So, Ava, you know how to say hello and goodbye. Now, let's talk about another very common question. People often ask, how are you?
How are you? Yes, I hear this a lot.
It's a friendly question. And there are simple answers. The most common is, I'm good, thanks.
I'm good, thanks.
Exactly. For example, hi John, how are you? And John says, I'm good, thanks.
Okay. I'm good, thanks. What else?
Another very common answer is, I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Yes, it's a little more neutral. Hello Maria, how are you? I'm fine, thank you.
So, I'm good, thanks, and I'm fine.
Right. You can also add in you.
And you?
Yes, it shows you care. How are you? I'm good, thanks. And you?
Oh, that's nice.
It is. It keeps the conversation going. So let's try it. I'll ask you, Ava, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. You're doing great, Ava.
Really? That's good to hear.
Yes, this is very useful. We'll practice more next time. Great job today.
Thank you, Andrew.
So we talked about how are you?
Yes, that's a good question.
It is. But sometimes we use other ways.
Other ways? Like what?
More informal ways. For friends.
Oh, I see.
We can say, how's it going?
How's it going?
That's right. It means, how are you?
So, how's it going is for friends.
Exactly. It's very common.
What can I say back?
Well, you can say it's going well.
It's going well.
Or just good, thanks.
Good, thanks.
Or even not bad.
Not bad. That's interesting.
Yeah. So if I ask you now, Ava, how's it going?
It's going well, thanks.
Perfect. You're learning fast.
Really? That's good to hear.
So, how's it going is a good phrase.
Yes, I like it.
You can use it with your classmates
Okay, I will try.
and your friends at home.
Got it.
Great. So, you know how are you?
Yes, I do.
Today, we learn another way.
Okay.
It's very common.
Good.
We say, how's it going?
How's it going?
Exactly. It's like, how are you?
I see.
People use it a lot.
Really?
Yeah. Imagine you see a friend.
Okay.
You can say, hi. How's it going?
Hi. How's it going?
Perfect. Now how do you answer? A good, simple answer is, not bad. Thanks.
Not bad, thanks.
Yes. It means things are okay.
So, not really good, not really bad.
That's right. It's a polite answer.
Okay.
Let's try. I'll ask you.
Okay, Andrew.
Hi, Ava. How's it going?
Not bad, thanks.
Great. And how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
See, it's easy.
Yes, it's easy.
We'll practice more. So, we've learned some ways to say hello.
Yes. Hello and hi.
And how to ask, how are you?
And how's it going?
Exactly. Those are great for starting a chat. But what if you want to say a little more?
More? Like what?
We can talk about simple things. Like the weather.
The weather?
Yes, it's a very common topic. Most people like to talk about it. It's easy. For example, you can say, nice day, isn't it?
Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, if it's sunny. Or you can say, it's cold today.
It's cold today.
Or if it's raining. Looks like rain.
Looks like rain.
See, very simple. It's a good way to start small talk. You ask about the weather, and they answer.
And then I can ask them, how are you?
Perfect. You're learning fast, Ava. Let's try a few more weather phrases.
Okay. I'm ready.
Great. So Ava, we've talked about asking how are you.
Yeah, I remember. It's good to ask.
Exactly. Today, let's learn something nice to say.
Nice? Like what?
Compliments. Simple, nice words.
Oh, compliments. I like that idea.
It's a good way to make someone happy.
So, how do I say something nice?
Let's start with clothes. Like a shirt.
Okay, my shirt.
You can say, I like your shirt.
I like your shirt.
Perfect. Now try it with me.
I like your shirt.
Very good. It's simple and friendly.
What if I like their shoes?
You can say, I like your shoes.
I like your shoes.
Yes, it's that easy.
So it's always, I like your.
Yes, for things they have now.
Like your bag?
Exactly. I like your bag.
I like your bag.
You're getting it.
This is fun.
It is. It makes people feel good.
So, I like your shirt.
Yes, that's a lovely compliment.
Thanks, Andrew.
You're welcome, Ava. Okay, Ava, we've talked a lot.
Yes, Andrew. It's been good.
Now, how do we finish a small talk?
Finish? Like say goodbye?
Exactly. It's polite to end nicely.
Oh, I see. What do I say?
A good phrase is, it was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
Perfect. You can use that often.
Like if I talk to the shopkeeper?
Yes. Or after a quick chat with a neighbor.
Okay. What else?
You can also say, I have to go now.
I have to go now.
That's very clear. It tells them you're busy.
So, it was nice talking to you. I have to go now.
Yes, that's great. You can mix them.
Oh, good.
Or, you can say, see you later.
See you later.
It's a bit more informal.
Informal, like with friends?
Yes, exactly. Or people you know well.
So, not the new person at work.
Probably not the first time, no?
Right. So, it was nice talking to you.
And then maybe, I have to go.
Or, see you later.
You've got it.
This is helpful, Andrew.
I'm glad, Ava. We'll practice more later. So, Ava, let's try a short conversation.
Oh, good idea, Andrew.
Imagine we meet on the street.
Okay.
I see you. I say hi, Ava. How are you?
Hi, Andrew. I'm good, thanks.
And you?
I'm fine too. It's a nice day.
Yes, it is. The sun is out.
Oh, lovely. How's it going?
It's going well, thanks. And you?
Pretty good. Just walking.
That's nice. I like your new bag.
Oh, thank you. It's new.
It looks great.
Thanks, Andrew.
Well, I must go now.
Okay. See you later.
Bye, Ava. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
See, that was simple.
Yes, it was. We used many things.
Right. We said hello.
And asked, how are you?
And then how's it going?
And talked about the day.
And you gave a compliment.
Oh yeah, your bag.
And we said goodbye politely.
It's all coming together.
Exactly. You're doing great, Ava. So, Ava, we've learned a lot today.
Yes. Greetings and small talk. It's useful.
It really is. Now it's time for our challenge.
A challenge? What is it?
I want you to practice
Practice what?
all the new phrases we learned.
Oh, okay. Like, how's it going?
Yes. And it's a nice day.
Right.
And you look nice today.
That one is good.
So, find a friend.
A friend?
Yes, someone you know.
Okay.
Say hello.
Hello.
Ask how's it going.
How's it going?
Then, maybe say something nice.
Like what?
It's a nice day.
It's a nice day.
Or, you look nice today.
You look nice today.
Great. Just try it.
I'll try.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Okay.
Just speak and have fun.
I will. Thanks, Andrew.
So, Ava, we're almost at the end of day 2.
Oh, already? Time flies.
It does. Today, we learned a new way to ask how are you.
Yes. It's how's it going?
Exactly. How's it going is very common.
How's it going?
You can say, it's going well, thanks.
It's going well, thanks. Good.
And we also talked about ending conversations.
Like saying, it was nice talking to you.
Perfect. And then a simple goodbye.
Goodbye, or see you later.
That's right. So, we've learned a lot today.
Yes, I feel more confident.
That's great to hear.
Thank you for teaching me, Andrew.
You're very welcome, Ava.
I'm ready for day 3 already.
Well, it's almost time for that.
Oh? What will we learn tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we'll talk about asking for help.
Asking for help? That sounds useful.
It is. So, don't forget to practice.
I'll practice. How's it going?
Excellent. And remember to use your new phrases.
I will.
So, that's all for day 2, everyone.
It was a fun day.
We hope you enjoyed it too.
See you all tomorrow.
Goodbye for now.